Hello auditors, welcome to Open Zeppelin's Ethernaut Shop Challenge. Over here you can see that this is the code, and in order to solve this challenge we have to get the item from the shop for less than the price asked. So let's dive into the code. Over here you can see that this is the code copied from Ethernaut. This is a simple state variable of price, which is 100, and you can see that this is a boolean of which the default is false according to Solidity documentation. And there's only one simple function, which is public. So this is a very simple contract that we are able to interact with. So afterwards we have this simple dot price function which checks whether the price is it 100, and it checks whether is it still false. Afterwards, if the conditions are true, it will actually convert is sold to true and change the stated price. So this is actually a very simple challenge. You can see that when I move on to this particular challenge, you can see that I've actually created this simple contract. So what this contract is actually takes in this particular smart contract address, and therefore we can interact with it after we call this pawn function. So what this does again is that it basically, when you call buy, it will check for this function buyer price, of which we'll call this particular function, and since we know that over here the is sold is actually false, therefore you'll return 100, and then afterwards you will convert this to true. So basically this will be true, and you will actually call this particular function again, and since now we know that the is sold is true, you actually return 0 immediately, and therefore completing the challenge. So in order to solve this particular contract, it's actually very simple. Just deploy the contract and call the pawn function. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, the transaction has been sent and mined, and let's check Ethernaut. We have completed the challenge. Now, if you guys like this challenge and my tutorial, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.